Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma. This right here is a quick demo of the page, the admission page that I was asked to edit. So the idea was to make the page to be very simple for users to navigate, to fill a quick form. And let me just go right to the page. So when you go to the entrance examination page, this is what you will see. So we've broken it down into four basic steps. Step one is the admission policy, where the user or the parent reads the admission policy document. Step two is where they fill the entrance examination form. We have made that to be as short and simple as possible. Then we have the step three, where you select the payment, and then we have the admission form, which is the last stage after the child has been offered admission. You can come here and fill your admission form online. So for the step one, which is the admission policy, uh, before I go before I go ahead, for those using phones, this is the way the layout is going to be on phone. It's going to be like this on phone, while using laptop or tablets, it should look like this. I have tested it on different browsers: Google Chrome, Brave, Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Explorer, and co. And I can guarantee it will always come responsive like this. It will not get distorted on this different browser. So it's very responsive. So for the step one, the admission policy, it's here. Now, when you click, because this is an offline demo, if it's online, once you click read now, it's going to take us to a new page where the document will load, and you'll be able to read the policy. But it's not online yet, so the link is not going to work. But it's going to display. Let me give you an insight to how it will display. Okay, this is our online website. So for instance, let me use this as an example. If you click here, so it's going to load like this, where the users can read the policy. So that's how the link over there is going to work. So let me go back offline. So once you click read now, it's going to open on a new tab. The parents can read the policy and download from that page. So we have, after reading the policy, you can see we wrote, kindly read the school admission policy before attempting to fill the entrance examination form. So after that, you go to step two, where you actually fill a quick examination form. Take a minute to fill and complete the entrance examination form. So if I click on the form here, so this form is going to load. So this is the new form. I want to believe anybody can fill this within 2-3 minutes. Okay, I think we can actually practicalize that. So the time on my system right now is 3:10. So let me try and fill the form so that we'll see how fast it is, so that if we need to remove some questions, if we need to make it more smaller, we can still achieve that. So let me start now. So choose the class you are applying for. I pick year 7. Day of border, day. The surname is this. Then the names. Okay. Date of birth. Let me select the date of birth here. Gender is male. Nationality Nigerian. Religion. I just want us to have an idea what the parents will be feeling. Then please tick entrance. I will go for online examination. Abuja is my preferred branch. Education special needs, no. Medical condition, no. Dietary needs, no. Let us know behavioral problems, none. Suspended or expelled from previous school, none. Guidance details here. So the surname, the relationship, contact phone number or email, then the date when the form was filled, which is today. So if you click on submit, that goes into the database, and the corporate affairs can be able to see to see everything. So that takes me 2 minutes. It took only 2 minutes to fill that. We started 3:10 and within 2 minutes we were done. So this is all the parents will be filling for the second stage of the form. So now that's after that is the third stage, which is the payment section. Now the payment section has not been activated yet. Like I mentioned, we need to do some payment for web security before we can actually activate this, and Paystack, Flutterwave, we can now put them right here. Once the parents click here, they will now enter another platform where they can select any kind of payment they want through the Flutterwave and the Paystack or the bank transfer method. So I think basically after the admission policy and the entrance examination form and the payment, every other thing happens offline between the account and the corporate affairs department, sending emails to parents, making calls, getting the children to come for the examination, offering the admission and contacting them. So everything happens offline until when the child has been offered admission, and yeah, there is need for the parent to now fill the proper admission form. So that's for the step 4. So I think at some point in time, would have given them a username and password for them to come online. For those who want to come online to fill the form, if they want to do the physical, if they want to fill it, the physical copy, it will also be provided, I believe. But for those probably who are not in Nigeria and want to fill and submit the form online, that those are the ones that this step 4 is for. So if you click on admission, the step 4 now, that should take us to another page. That should take us to another page. So where they can use their username that has been given to them and their password to log in, and then proceed to fill all the form. And as you can see, this is just an instruction that before you proceed to fill the admission form, please ensure that you have electronic copies of the following: the child's birth certificate, color passport, academic report, medical fitness certificate, and if there's any other requirements, I believe we can list them out here. So this is just let me go back. This is just how the page is going to work. Observations, corrections, updates are still welcome because this is just the offline page. We have not gone online, fully online yet. We want to make the payments, integrate the payment platforms, then push these updates out. So this is just a quick demo for us to just to have an idea of what we have been doing concerning the new updates about the entrance examination page. Thank you.